The waterfall. It was a beautiful sunny day on the island of Sodor.
Thomas has a very important job today. He has to carry the passenger coaches to Niagara Falls.
I have a long journey. I better get started now.
And Thomas was off.
Thomas has a giant hill to conquer, so he has to try his hardest. Thomas huffed and puffed to try to get up the hill, but it was so hard.
Finally, I conquered that hill.
Finally, Thomas arrived at Niagara Falls.
This is the perfect spot to watch Niagara Falls.
Thomas and his passengers watched as the beautiful waterfall flowed.
That was the beautifulest waterfall I ever seen.
Thanks for watching.